I'm Drew Yagodnik from Classic Auto Insurance, and if you've built a modified car that's truly one of a kind, listen up. We're talking custom paint, engine swaps, kit cars, resto-mods, all of it. Here's the thing about modified cars, no two are alike. The blood, sweat, and tears you put in that build make it priceless to you. So how does a standard insurance company put a value on something like that? Honestly, they can't. Standard policies aren't built to cover customized parts, specialty equipment, or the hours of skilled labor that went into your build. They're going to undervalue it, period. At Classic Auto, we work with you to determine the value of your modified car and write a policy based on that. It's called agreed value coverage, and it means if something happens, you get what it's actually worth. Our modified car insurance policies are completely customizable. No one size fits all here. We cover your specialized parts, your modifications, your custom features, plus rollover miles, inflation guard, and flatbed towing if you ever need it. Call us at 888-901-1338 or visit classicins.com to get your quote today. You built something unique. Let's make sure it's covered that way.